Hello everybody, welcome to Kurdish lessons. Today we are going to learn a very useful thing. So I'm going to teach you how to speak about your routines, your daily routines. So if you are ready, let's start. So of course our first daily routine is to start the day. So we say shiyarbun. Shiyarbun is to wake up when you open your eyes from deep sleeping. So shiyarbun, okay? Shiyarbun. And second one is you can say روی خوش شوشتن. روی خوش شوشتن. روی خوش شوشتن. To wash your face, okay? And if you take a shower every day, or I don't know when do you take a shower, so you can say سر خوش شوشتن. سر خوش شوشتن. Literally it means to wash your head, but we refer all our body, okay? سر خوش شوشتن. So شیاربون روی خوش شوشتن. سر خوش شوشتن. So then you can say yoga kırın, okay? If you do yoga kırın. And then you can say kahve çekirin. Kahve çekirin, which means to prepare a coffee. Kahve çekirin. So for example, as her roş kahveye çedikim. As her roş kahve vedekim. So if you prepare your coffee, kahve çekirin, you will drink it. Kahve ve xwarin, okay? Kahve ve xwarin. As her roş kahve vedekim. Okay? And then taşte çekirin. To prepare breakfast, to make breakfast, taşte çekirin. U taşte xwarin, to have your breakfast, taşte xwarin. And then çuyin or çun dibistane, to go to school. To go to school. Çun dibistane. Çun kar to go to work. As diçim kar or as naçim kar, okay? I go to work, I don't go to work. Çuyin or ne çuyin kar. And then vegerin male to come back to home. Vegerin male. As pişti kare xwe vedgerin male. As pişti kare xwe vedgerin male. I come back to home after my work. Okay? And then you can say, you can use بمالباتا خوره جوات گراندن. It's long. بمالباتا خوره جوات گراندن. It is like to have a conversation with your family, okay? To have a conversation with your family. And then derketin derve, you may go out. Derketin derve, okay? Derketin derve, to go out. O hevalen khoditin, to meet your friends. Hevalen khoditin. دماكو از درد كبم درفة از براني حوالين خود بينم. دماكو از درد كبم درفة براني از حوالين خود بينم. So when I go out, I often see my friends, okay? And then you can say لتلفزيون تماشا كرن. لتلفزيون تماشا كرن, to watch TV. So لنتفليكس تماشا كرن. لفليمان تماشا كرن, okay? Or you may go to theater. It will be چون شانوية. مثلا مهي جاركي, like once a month. مهي جاركي از ديشم شانوية. از ديشم شانوية. مهي جاركي once a month. I go to theater. And then you can say ركعتين as the last one to sleep. So it has been a long day, so you may want to sleep. That's why rakatin, to sleep, okay? So قالك سباس. Please share with me your daily routines as a comment here. So I will be very helpful to correct your routines if you have any mistake in your passage. Thank you so much. Oh, Dembash.